Alright, what's up everyone? Today we have another Dino Reveal, and I have here the rare Gastonia. Whoops, the focus not working. Oh, there you go. So today, let's check the box. The bottom, it says a C right there, so that means we're gonna get this Gastonia here. So because it's A, B, C, and this was this one right here, an F. So since the bottom says C, then we're gonna get the common Gastonia right here. The green looks like a mint green Gastonia. So let's open it up now. Let's compare. I didn't need to bring the original Epic Evolution Gastonia and my custom paint because I already featured that on this guy's video right here. And let's check it out. Other tank, it's actually ready. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Okay. Bring it out. Okay, we don't need the tank anymore. We'll save that, or we can sell it on our recycling bin. I knew it. See, another Gastonia. So let's. Oh, look at that! You can see the green colors now. So let's dunk him in. Let's get it closer. Whoops! What? How did he do this? Wait, what? How come it doesn't fit? To force it in? Oh goodness. Alright, let's go for that. Give it a few, and we're gonna grab our towel to dry it out. You can see it moving now. Look at that green color coming out. Looking good. Wow. Sadly, it's a common though. We don't know when the ultra rare is coming out yet. I don't see them yet. It's just common and rares right now. Okay, there's still a few dirt in there. Let's give it a few more minutes, then let's dry it up. Alright, I think everything's dissolved. Looks good. Let's bring it out. Okay. Alright. Let's dry it up. Oh, there's a little dirt over there. That's okay. Okay, so I dried it up. The leg here seems to be a bit loose. The neck has an articulation. The tail actually can articulate compared to the rare. They seem like they glued it. You can't move it at all. But this one, you can tell it's moving. It moves. What else? It doesn't have the feature anymore. Unlike the Epic Evolution, that you push it over here. The tail swings. It's a Dino Reveal, so they got rid of that feature, but that's okay. I think I like the color of this one better than the rare one. This is the common, but it looks better. Not because it's new or it's green, because green's my favorite color. But yeah, there's a little dirt over there. Trying to get rid of. Okay. Obviously, it is exactly the same model. You can tell the leg. Yeah, it is loose. Look at that. Oh man. So yeah, if you're looking for the new Dino Reveal Gastonia, look at the bottom of the tank. It says the last letter should be a C. You will get this green Gastonia. And if you wanted this one, it will be an F. Now I can't wait for the ultra rares. I wonder what the Gastonia will look like over there. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I would like to say thank you so much again for your non-stop support. And you guys have a safe weekend now. Have a good one. Bye.